You are watching MDN Teleradyo.
Good noon, Cagayan de Oro City and also to Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and all over the world or wherever you may be. Since we are also live right now in Facebook through Mediaworx Digital Network Teleradyo fan page, which is also shared by yours truly Facebook account. I'm Coach Ben, and welcome to our 18th episode of Season 2 of EASYTRADE, where we make Forex trading fun and easy to learn. Okay, so last week guys, we was not online or we are not broadcast last week because for some technical difficulties, but now we are back, and I'm too sure some of you were having a great time, especially to the movement of the market right now, and I'm so sure some of you also most probably lost some of the, or not exactly lost, but failed to have the opportunity to trade the market during last week because the movement of the market was quite a little bit predictable. Okay, so why did I say that? Later after the break, we're going to discuss live. We will be going directly to the market. Okay, we will be inside the market later. By listening here in EASYTRADE, you will learn a little bit more what is Forex trading all about. So right now we will go to the market because since last week we was not there, so right now we will be there right now. Okay, so again, we are looking right now at XAU USD. So as you can see, there were some parameters that I put here na I just leave it here. This was last week because last week we was not here. So this is what happened na nangyari sa market. So what I said last week is that when the marketplace, because I already closed, this is what, anong tawag dito? What I said, this is what we call a trend line, right? This is a support trend line. If we're gonna put resistance trend line, ganito yan dito. Okay? Yan. Example. So, we are trading based on the movement on the trend. So, saan papunta ang market of the gold? Alam na natin, right? I already discussed that, okay? By looking at your chart right now, okay, we will just use our basis way back 2 weeks ago. So, the movement of the market is so a little bit predictable kasi sabi ko, if the market break, okay, look what happened here, okay? Look at this, guys. Based on your screen, if the market break at this level, okay, at this level, if the market will continue to go up, okay, because this is what we call, okay, look at this, there is what it is, this is a resistance, okay, a horizontal resistance, right? Naglagay tayo dyan. So paglagay natin dyan, if the market will continue to go up, nag-break yan dito, the market will gonna continue to go up. But look what happened here, using this one, the trend support. If the market will break this one, okay, pack, and it breaks here, it will close in a solid body, just like this. Okay, lakihan ko so that you will see. If the market will close with a solid body here, I said that the probability is the market's gonna continue to, it will not continue, but it will slightly go down. But pag naglagay din tayo ng resistance level here, support level here, if this will break down here, this will gonna continue to go down, right? Yan yung sabi ko because tinignan natin that the market will reach up to this part here. We put a horizontal support, and then we even put a trend support here. Trend, okay? What is the trend means where the market is heading, okay? So, if we're gonna look at this, we're looking right now at D1, okay? We're looking right now at D1 because if you're gonna look at H4, marami ng candles nangyayari dyan, okay? Look, marami ng candles nangyayari. Even if you're gonna go look at H1, what do you mean by H1 again? Every one candle of this, equivalent of 1 hour. So, after 1 hour, there's a new candle. After 1 hour, there's a new candle. So, that's what happened. Now, looking back at D1, way back before 2 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, on the previous episodes that we had, okay, I said if the market will gonna continue, if this will, look at this, okay, lakihan ko ulit so that you will see it clearly in your screen. As you can see, if this will close, okay, and if there's a new candle, and then the new candle will continue to go up here, okay, hindi katulad nito, I said that the probability of the market will continue to go up, but look what happened. I said if the market will also break, okay, look at this. If the market will break this one, the trend, then there's a possibility, the probability the market will continue to go. Not will continue but will already go down. It will bounce down, okay? Because look what happened here. Wait, this one. Marami tayong resistance at that level, okay? I'm gonna put another resistance here so that you can see. See? Look what happened here. There is a resistance level at this part here. So by looking at this, I said that the market might be a little bit predictable because we are not really guaranteed, okay? It's not really guaranteed naman, but it's only probability. But by looking at this, if you will just follow what I said last week, that if the market will close at this level here and then it will continue to go up, na na-break niya yung even at this part here, yung resistance level niya dito, definitely the market will gonna continue to go up. But look what happened. I said if the market will make a resistance here, so nandito na yung nagiging selling niya, okay? So definitely you can put, if you want to play sell, you can already play sell up to this part here, okay? So when you play sell, then tapos even if you're gonna place take profit up this level, or depending of how many dollars you want to earn, definitely you could already have a profit. So because ang nakagandahan kasi guys in the forex, okay, in the forex market is that you can do both, you can do buy, you can do sell, you don't need to wait anymore, okay? Hindi katulad sa other investment that when you place buy lang kayo, when you place sell lang kayo. In this way you can do both sides. So you can already buy up to na-reach na yung buy niya, tapos nakita mo there's a possibility na merong magsisell dito, you can already place is sell stop up to this part here, okay? Okay, actually dito yung sinabi kong sell stop up this part, ito yung sell stop. You can already place a sell stop here para at least a little bit sure kayo na if ever kasi mangyari, if ever nag-sell dyan tapos nag-bounce back lang again, okay? Nag-bounce back lang siya, nag-sell siya dito, mag-place ka ng sell dito, okay? There's a support and resistance level at this level. Tapos what happened is paano pag nag-bounce back lang siya. So that's why last week when I said we can place a sell stop, yung nandito pa ang market, okay? I said we can already place a sell stop here. When you say sell stop, you're buying below the market price, okay? That is sell stop. So when you place sell stop here at this level, na-triggered na siya, and then you can already place even take profit up to this level. But look what happened, it goes down pa, okay? So yun. So this what I'm talking about last week. This what I was talking about a moment ago, that the market of the gold since last week was a little bit predictable kasi natamaan niya yung resistance part here, resistant level here, both the resistant in the horizontal and the trend, okay? So ibig sabihin, going back again, if you're gonna put, there's a trend here, liitan ko konti so that you can see. As you can see, it's a little bit predictable, right? It's going up, down, phase 1, phase 2, phase 1, phase 2, so up, down, and then up, down, and then supposedly this should be what happened. This should be going up again, parang ganito lang. It just duplicate lang sana. But look what I said. When the market going up, there's a resistant level here. That's why it's going down. And then, you really want to go up, but hindi niya nakayanan, okay? Because hindi niya nakayanan mag-going up, that's what happened here. And again, before this was happened, I said, we already placed a what? We already placed, what is this? Trend support. Again, pag nasa baba, that's what I call support. Okay? Pag katulad dito, this is support, this is resistance. Okay? So I already placed this, kaya hindi ko tinanggal para makita nyo of what we're talking about. So next week when we discuss again, hindi ko rin tatanggalin yung iba dito. Okay? So that we could really look back again if yung mga nilagay nating mga resistance and support level is nandun, talagang it really works. Okay? And what happened right now, it really does. Because if I don't know if some of you here, kung nag-sign in lang kayo ngayon, and not sign in but tune in lang kayo ngayon, if you want to look back yung previous episode ko, you can just scroll back in MDN, okay? You can just search MDN, and then after that, you can scroll, just search EASYTRADE. When I was having my previous episode, ito yon, okay? Ito yon. Ang dinagdag ko lang ngayon is this one. Okay, change natin to ng color so that para maano lang natin. Sabihin natin this is color yellow. Okay, this is color. I just added this just today. So this was on the previous, okay? Lahat na nandito mga parameters na nilagay natin. This was on the last week episode. So it means that what I'm talking about is that the market really follow kung ano yung, not follow, but we at least predict, okay? This is not guaranteed, but we only have assumption, okay? We only assume, or we just this is what I call probability, that if ever the market will reach to this part, there's a probability that the market's gonna go down. And it does happen. So right now, question, Coach, ang nangyari ngayon is nag-down siya. Bakit siya nag-bounce back? Because we can easily look at that. We can place, so ibig sabihin, there is a support level in this area here. So as you can see, kung tama ba, lagay natin dito. Yan. So as you can see, there's a support. Pag dito, resistance, right? Dito, nandito yung support, resistance below, support. So as you can see, it's a strong horizontal support level here. Okay, as you can see, there is a support here. So ang question, if this support will break, okay, hindi lang ganito, this is a tail, okay, this is what I call tail or wick. Other call this wick, okay, W-I-C-K, wick, hindi yung wick na mahina. W-I-C-K, yun, this is what I call wick or tail. Now, the question here, lakihan natin. Ano yung mangyayari sa gold for this week or next week? Okay, probability based off what the market is showing off right now. If the market will close, okay, if the market will close at this level here, we're looking right now at daily, okay, this is daily. If the market will close solid body here, okay, there's a possibility, okay, I will not say guaranteed, but probability that the market, okay, will continue to go down. But question, saan naman siya hanggang saan? So, definitely, there's a possibility or probability up to this level here. Here. See? Because, how could you say that, Coach? Because, ilock natin to. Because, as you can see, if the market will continue to go down, there's a probability that the market will stack up here naman because there's a strong support level here. Look, if nasa ilalim ka, if you are below, there's a strong resistance, okay? But if you're above here, then this will serve as your strong support. So again, you know what to do. If the market will continue to go down, okay, there's a probability that the market will reach up to this part here. If the market will close solid body, okay? We don't know because again, this is only probability. Okay, so as you can see, I said way back just a moment ago that the movement of the market of the gold based on the last week, it's quite a little bit predictable because there is already way back before this already a resistance level here. Okay, we already put a trend support. Okay, so if there's a trend support, if na-break ng trend support, that's what's gonna happen. It will break, then it will go down. And when we place, this was our assumption as our sell stop. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this was our assumption that we can already place a sell stop level here. So if this is our sell stop, if the sell stop was triggered, then definitely you already have take profit at this level here. So super congratulations again. Seriously speaking, congratulations to all traders out there who really did ask me on what are the probability kung saan daw papunta ang market. So I just explained this how I just explained to them, guys. Okay, this is how I'll just explain to them. You're just gonna look for the support and resistance level, and then you have to manage your risk properly by putting a take profit and stop loss. Because again, if you're gonna place a trade right now, you can kasi dito yung diba, currently right now this is already the support level here. Okay, so if you want to place a sell stop or if you want to place sell right now, you can already place at least dito at this level here. Okay, you can already place sell stop. Okay, and after sell stop, you can already take this as your take profit, and then if you want to place stop loss, you can probably put a stop loss at this level here or above this one here. Okay? Because again, bakit dyan natin ilalagay ang stop loss for the sell? Because again, there's a probability if the market will just stack up to this part here, at least your stop loss will not be triggered. Okay? So hindi ka you will not have a losing profit. Okay? So by doing that, at least you are already safe on your part here. Okay? So again, we are just trading based on the movement of the market. This is what we call price actions. Okay. So as you can see, I don't use any single indicators at all. But I have no offense naman with people out there or traders out there using indicators. But for me, I don't use indicators at all anymore. But yes, before I use, but it just so happened that indicators are also waiting for the movement of the market. So why not you will just think, or it's not you will think as an indicator, but you will just trade based on the movement of the market na lang, right? So again guys, I hope this will be helpful for you, especially for people out there who really wanted to make this forex trading to their serious if they want to make this trading as their serious career. So definitely you can really do this on your own. Okay, but again, always manage your risk properly, do not overexpose, and then when you trade according on to your funds and according to the movement of the market. If ever the market will go against on you, then just leave it there, because again, the market will always go back to its trend. And also, when you trade, also do not just rely only to this. You can also read some news, because again, fundamentals, because what are you doing right now, this is technical analysis. Okay, when you're talking about fundamental analysis, that is your trading based on if there's a current news right now that would really affect your trade. So probably you can no, it's not probably, but you can really trade that also on your end if you want to trade using fundamental analysis. Okay, so I guess that's all for now for this episode. Hoping for that you can still join me by next week, because again, this is Coach Ben, and join me again every Friday, still around 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. on my EASYTRADE segments, where we make forex trading fun and easy to learn. Again, let's all become a forex trader with a heart, because as I always said to everyone, forex trading or forex, it's not a game of money. It's a game of patience. Still here in MDN Teleradyo. Watch us anytime, anywhere. See you and have fun trading with me again next week, guys. Thank you.